Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Dawn and I am delightful. This is delightful_Dawn. That came from Maxine. I'm not gonna start saying that. Anyway, this is round 2 of dyeing the hair. Keith did our first half. I instructed Keith and Keith said I took him down the wrong path. So this is how the hair kind of turned out.
You get
yeah, so we ended up getting the dark and lovely.
And you get this and you get the moisturizer conditioner. And of course you get your pack it up instructions. So this is, tell me about the color.
Hot Rhythm from Dark and Lovely.
Color number 376.
Color number 376, and it's like a rouge.
Like a chestnut.
A chestnut color. So I'm trying to get this color right here. But if we, at this point, this is gonna be our second time doing this. Pray the Lord don't come out bald. Tilt it up a little bit.
What I'm gonna do is go in and do all of her, because they already lightened up these roots like this. I'm gonna go in and do all of her ends, and then I'm going to foil on top of them so that the ends can get heat going into it, okay? And then at the very end, we're gonna come back and do all the touch-ups and put it on the root, so that let that sit, then wrap her up, wash it out, voila. Sorry, Kevin.
No,
So, Kevin, I got Kevin, Carmela, and Kiara to follow our channels.
She followed me?
Yes, I got to follow me. Yes, of course. Duh. Of course, I'm gonna rep my sister. About 45 minutes, y'all.
45 minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're not gonna sit here for 45 minutes.
No,
we're going to go let these mugs bust her up, and then we'll be right back to you. See ya.
Bye.
So this is the hair. This is how it turned out after it's our two cycle of processing. Or because y'all seen how I look at it first when I showed y'all. But I like it. I have no regrets at this point. I did have my moments of like, what did I do? But now I'm like, okay, hello, how you doing? What I almost said something. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's becoming for the most part. Shout out to the co-workers and my family that's been boosting me, because before I'm like, I don't know if I like it, but right now I'm looking in the mirror over here and I really do like it. Okay, so for the most part I like it. Like I said, Dawn got a new look for the summertime. I can't believe I did this. It takes, for me to make a decision for my hair is like, ever to curl it or cut it. It's just like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, and I did it, and then it turned out pretty decent. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Join the family if you would like to. No one's pulling at you, or you can come on over. And until next time, stay unapologetic for you and all that you do. Thank you. Peace.